Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw hibiscus flowers with this strange and beautiful glass dip pen. Each is handmade and therefore unique, however I got it very inexpensive from Amazon, under $10. And we will use this Indian or Chinese red ink. You simply need to dip the part with the grooves in the ink and then you can write or draw with it, like so. We begin with the petals. Hibiscus have 5 petals. Wow, this draws smoother than what I thought. Since it is glass, I thought it would be a little bit scratchy, but it isn't. Pretty smooth. Very good. The pistils. And let's draw another one back here. We can give some texture, some color and shade at the same time by making lines. Wow, this is really enjoyable. I never thought it would feel this good. These pens can be pretty expensive, like even up to $150, but as I said, some go pretty inexpensive. I leave you the link for this one and all the materials I used in the description below the video. In some cases, these petals are darker toward the center and very light at the edges. Additionally, by the center they may catch more shadow. So we go over those areas again and more tightly. However, just having this color makes it a monotone and I would like it to be even darker at the center. So I mixed some of this ink with a tiny bit of blue to make it darker. And use it for the center of the petals and toward the center of the flowers. That's looking better, don't you think? It gives it a little bit more volume. Now, since I don't have a green Indian ink to hand, I will try out this fountain pen ink. And with this, we do the leaves and the stem. It actually works perfectly. It feels very smooth too. I was a little bit concerned because I read that since it is of a different viscosity, maybe it wouldn't work as well. Okay, good, but I want the center of the flowers much darker, so I use the blue to go over them. Since this ink is transparent, the blue over the red looks like a very dark purple, and we add some more red for intensity. Nice! To clean the pen between colors, it is super easy. You just rinse it for a second and then wipe it dry and dip it on the new color. Very good. Excelente! Let's just do this final last petal and shade it, the last touches, and it's ready. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find our tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.